Yeah, so next model is hand centrifuge. So we have a very simple hand centrifuge model. Here I have prepared few mixtures. So this is a soil plus water. I'm gonna mix it. Okay. Likewise, I prepared sugar solution, vermilion, and oil and water. So I placed all the four mixtures here. I'm gonna rotate these. Okay, so we have to spin it. Okay, so what happens here is, so while I'm spinning, so there's a force called centrifugal force acting on it. So when it is rotating, the force, what it's doing is, it's bringing the heavier particles to the bottom, and then it's bringing the lighter particles upwards. So we need to rotate it for a minute. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. So this is a vermilion. The solid particles are settled down and the liquid is up. So this is a solid and liquid separation. This one is soil and water. You can see the soil particles are settled down and the water is up. This one is oil and water. So you can see that it's not completely separated, but you can see water at the bottom and oil particles are at the top. If you spin it more time, then it will get separated clearly. This is sugar solution. It is not separated because it's a homogeneous mixture. So we can separate the heterogeneous mixtures.